In this video, I will show you how to fix if your Google business profile is not publicly visible. So let's jump straight into it. Now, there's a few reasons why a Google business profile might not be visible. The first reason this may be happening is that the profile might not be verified, which is of course required for it to appear on Google Maps and in search results. Now, businesses can verify their listings by following the prompts on their dashboard after creating a profile. If core business information is changed, such as the name, address, phone number, or categories, the business might need to be verified again, so make sure to check first of all that your business profile is verified. Now, if your profile status is saying suspended, the reason it's not going to be publicly visible is because you may have potentially violated Google's policies, and due to this, your profile is going to be suspended and not accessible to the public. Search engines do also need to trust a business as a reliable source for location-specific searches before it can appear prominently in local search results. Also, Google do prioritize businesses that are closer to the user's location. Another reason that your Google business profile may not be showing up and it may not be publicly visible is that the profile might not be relevant to the search query. So for example, if someone's searching for a particular business, for example like a restaurant, and you have a business profile that offers like tech services, then of course it's not going to show up. Also, incorrect listing information can hurt SEO and reduce the number of customer reviews, and can also lead to your Google business profile not being publicly visible. So that's a couple of reasons why your Google business profile might not yet be publicly visible. Of course, check to make sure that you have verified your business profile and that you have no suspensions due to violating Google's policies. If you haven't violated any policies and your account is verified, what I would recommend doing is contacting Google support for further assistance. So if you come across to Google Business Profile Help, on this screen at the bottom, you're going to see a Contact Us button. So if you actually click onto this, you can get into contact with Google and they'll be able to go ahead, look into that further and find out why your Google business profile is not publicly visible. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.